Hello guys. Today I want to show you how to create 3D logo in Adobe Illustrator very easily. Concentration on that tutorial. I don't show only logo design. Here have many tips and tricks you can apply any design. Select Ellipse tool. Select Rectangle tool. Now change color for easy select. Here use Shape Builder tool. Now, to create a round shape, select the Curvature tool. This tool allows you to easily and quickly round the edges of any object. Follow all tips step by step. Again, select Curvature tool. Again, here use Shape Builder tool. Now, hide front object to remove unnecessary object. Before starting the graphic design, it is advisable to choose appropriate colors that facilitate easy and efficient design. After graphic design, select some color for easy and quick design. It's time to select color. Follow all tips step by step. Select the Direct Selection tool. Then select Path, copy and paste in front. It's time to select color. Now change color. Now change color. Follow all tips step by step. Select all objects and group them together. Finally, I want to tell, always I try to my best to give you better concept about design. If you can see I'm trusted and I give you my creativity, and if you can enjoy my tutorial or if you can learn something from me, so subscribe my channel. If you subscribe you will get all updates very easily. Type company name in design. Now create outline that text for edit. Go type menu or use shortcut Ctrl plus Shift equals O. I used shortcut. Like and subscribe our channel for more update. Thanks for watching.